nobody has time to do a topo, so usually it's done maybe a couple hours with overtime, or even on overtime on a Saturday. So the idea that you could, eliminate all that time and cost and get an accurate topo, I mean, that's huge.
Well, before Propeller, I was importing my CAD work to Google Earth, and the problem with Google Earth was that Google Earth doesn't update maybe once a year. I cannot see the excavation, or I cannot see the progress as we go on in the project. With Propeller, we just fly, and all of a sudden I have real data. I can see what's really going on with my project as the month passes by.
Propeller plays very well in with our modeling of our sites, because that's what we do out here. Is we build the job twice. We build a virtual site on the computer, we load it on our bulldozers, give it to our grade checkers and surveyors, and they build the physical site. So using Propeller plays right into our digital representation of the site.
I think the data sets speak for themselves. It's nothing that you have to bring anybody on board with. I mean, it's data that's intrinsically and obviously valuable. So there's not really any pitch about it. The pitch is, here's the link to the website, done. The user interface is very much like people are used to. So most people already kind of know how to manipulate the 3D imagery.
If something's going wrong, you don't want to know that a month later. You want to know the next day if possible. It allows red flags to go up earlier, and you can make changes earlier. So with respect to that, it's saving money.
It gives you the tools, the visual tools, to make informed decisions.